Iran versus Israel. A military power comparison. When it comes to military strength in the Middle East, Iran and Israel are two of the most prominent and powerful nations. Despite vast differences in size, technology, and strategy, both countries maintain formidable forces with regional and global implications. 1. Military personnel. Iran active personnel. Chiku 575,000. Azit reserve personnel. Uqad 350,000. Paramilitary, e.g., Basiji, millions, mobilizable in wartime. Israel active personnel. 170,000 reserve personnel, Dalbad 65,000, conscription is mandatory, including women. Comparison, Iran has a larger standing army, but Israel has a highly trained, rapidly deployable reserve force. 2. Military technology and equipment. Israel advanced air force with F-35 stealth fighters. Cutting-edge drones and cyber capabilities, Iron Dome, David's Sling, and Arrow missile defense systems. Indigenous weapons industry, e.g., Merkava tanks. Iran relies on domestically produced weapons and older Russian-Chinese systems. Strong ballistic missile arsenal, e.g., Shahab, Sejil. Expanding drone fleet, but less advanced than Israel's limited Air Force modernization. Comparison: Israel has superior technology, especially in air power, cyber warfare, and defense systems. Iran compensates with missile capabilities and asymmetric strategies. 3. Nuclear capabilities. Israel, not officially confirmed but widely believed to possess 90-100 nuclear warheads. Advanced second strike capabilities via submarines. Iran, no nuclear weapons currently. Enrichment program has raised international concerns. Potential breakout capability if political decisions are made. Comparison: Israel holds a significant strategic advantage with its undeclared nuclear arsenal. Iran is a nuclear threshold state, but not yet a nuclear power. 4. Regional influence and proxy forces. Iran. Strong regional influence via proxies. Hezbollah, Lebanon, militias in Iraq, Syria, and Yemen, e.g., Houthis. Focus on asymmetric warfare and long-term attrition strategies. Israel, high-tech intelligence, Mossad, Unit 8200. Conducts precision strikes on Iranian assets in Syria. Strong alliances, especially with the U.S. Comparison: Iran uses proxy groups to extend its reach, while Israel relies on precision, alliances, and deterrence. 5. Defense budget, approximate. Iran, $8 billion. Israel, $25 billion, heavily supported by U.S. aid. Comparison: Israel spends significantly more per soldier and has access to advanced Western technology. Conclusion: Israel is a smaller nation but boasts superior military technology, a well-trained force, and nuclear deterrence. Iran has greater manpower, regional influence through proxies, and a robust missile program. Each country has distinct advantages. Israel excels in conventional warfare and defense technology, while Iran focuses on asymmetric strategies and regional power projection. In the event of direct conflict, the outcome would depend heavily on strategy, alliances, and international responses.